all you can eat, but you have to eat carefully. Rock eels. These shy little fish are not exactly salmon, but they're better than nothing. This is Chinook. Sky's found herself driven to a remote, unfamiliar area. She runs, hoping to find safety. He takes off after them. Chinook is much stronger than Sky, but she'll fight with everything she's got to give her cubs a chance to escape. The cubs make a run for it. Sky tries to lead him away, but instead of following her, Chinook heads straight for the cubs. He knows they can't have gotten far.